In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell a digital download on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. Now, select Digital Product as your product type. Next, enter your product name and set your price. For example, you could sell a PDF, template, music pack, design resource, ebook, video file, or any downloadable digital content. You can also choose your preferred currency before continuing. Once that's done, click Next and Customize. Here you can fully customize your product page. Start by adding a detailed description explaining what customers will receive, the benefits of the product, and why they should buy it. Next, upload your cover image and thumbnail. You can upload files directly from your computer or use external links. A professional thumbnail helps your product look more attractive and increases conversions. You can also add additional product details, integrations, and pricing options. For example, you can enable pay what you want pricing, installment payments, or automatic discount codes if needed. After that, upload your digital download files so customers can access them immediately after purchase. Before publishing, make sure all important sections are completed, including the title, description, pricing, cover image, thumbnail, and downloadable files. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your digital download live on your Gumroad store so customers can start purchasing and downloading your product instantly. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.